We were thinking about your Innovate projects and how tricky it seems to be to put ourselves in the shoes of the people that we're trying to serve. How might something that you learned here, how might that apply in your Innovate realm?
This is what we call our Accessibility Awareness Lab. Each station is focused on a particular type of disability, so blindness, deafness, motor issues, cognitive issues. It gives you a 30-second view into that person's world, the frustration they encounter with technology, in some cases the assistive technology they might be using to get through their daily lives. Okay, so it's showing in Braille what you're hearing here, and if you hit the tab key, it will take you to what's clickable on the website.
So we're reading a passage, but in the mindset of someone that has dyslexia.
Everything's like backwards because I'm looking at a mirrored reflection, and this is what someone with some type of disability would have to go through.
It's the low vision goggles. It's very blurry, and you have to zoom in order to see like a single word.
Yeah, this one's easier to hold because it's smaller and thinner, so you don't have to move your hand as much.
Thanks for calling Ira. This is Marissa. What would you like to do today?
Hi Marissa, we're doing an IRA demo for 8th graders this afternoon.
Awesome.
Can you describe the cups?
Did I get it?
The cups, of course. Yeah, so there are cups just inside of here that are turned upside down, and it looks like there's a dark red one, a lighter red one, a yellow, and a green all stacked on top of each other.
So this would be for someone who's deaf or hard of hearing, and so they can't really hear what someone might be saying in a call. So this allows them to communicate with people in real time without the delay of a text message.
It helps bring a real conversational flow and feel to the deaf and hard of hearing community. There's no lag between you and an interpreter and getting the message back. We can now text to 911. The 911 operators can see if you stop mid-sentence, there's something wrong and we need to get you help. There's no question of did you forget to hit the send button.
I have GPS location, so I can see that you are at, let's see, Trinity Episcopal School of Austin. Does that sound right?
Yes, it does.
And I can also let you know what the closest food places to you are.
Everyone likes good food, good movies, good music, good friends. Having a disability doesn't change that fact. They like the same things we do. It's meant to get people past the hurdle of understanding that people with disabilities are not sitting at their house 24/7 in the dark not doing anything. They are out in the working field, they have jobs, and this is how they're doing it. So it helps get you past that hurdle.
Someone in front of me?
Yes, I see there is a boy with brown hair sitting across from you wearing glasses, but he just pulled them down to his chin. They're like goggles, not glasses, goggles. Big, like green goggles. And he's got a computer, a laptop in front of him.